Today we'll be reviewing the Jack and Drew MagBuilders set. Comes with 104 pieces, square, triangles, and carts, 2 blue, 2 red. There are 3 kinds of triangles. These long triangles, these right triangles, and these equilateral triangles. So it also comes in this box over here with a locking lid so that you can easily take it wherever. So yeah, you can use this to build 2D things or 3D like this. Now, one thing though is I'm going to go and try to build something bigger. Now, the thing about it is, it's extremely difficult to build things that go high. This is pretty much the rocket from the little creation manual they give. So, you made your rocket. Now, let's pick it up, and it has no support. Anything you make big won't be moving at all, because as soon as you move it too far, it collapses. So, while you're fine with making small things like this, and they probably won't fall apart, you can see by this, the magnets are not that strong. Takes like no effort to put it on and off. And you saw how I was able to just push the boxes off of the cars as if they weren't even there. Despite all of the magnetic strips within them, those things lead you to think that it's probably going to be structurally sound. It really isn't. And the thing is, you really can't put in supports for larger things. So, if you make something big, do know you can't move it. But, yeah. That is the Jack and Drew MagBuilders set.